Welcome to my Lolo Items Internet Cafe! This is a 7 years old internet cafe in Manaba, Bayawan City, Negros Oriental. Wow, that was a rapper. Come in. This is our internet receiver from Bayawan City. I wanted to say that this was our big stick that has connection, and this is where the connection is stored. We have 23 sets of our computer, including our server and our Wi-Fi. This is our server, and this is where we operate. Over here is our UPS. It's a spare battery for our server when there's no power. So yes, I know how to operate the server because grade 2 I was already using the server, and my mom teaches me how to do this and that. So yeah, there are 3 sets of colors. Sky blue means there's clients using the computers. When it's yellow, it's almost ending. The time is almost ending. And when it's black, there's no one using the computer. So that's how we operate it. Also, we have this server in our store connected to our computer server. So we cannot be tired going in and out because the server is right over there. And our store is right over here. PC14, And that's how you move a PC. What services we offer to the clients? We have printing services. We have 2 of them, okay? 1 here, 1 there. Wow. Also, we offer lamination. It's right over here, our laminator. We also make invitation cards and tarpaulin layout. We are using Adobe Photoshop. Let's do this. First we go here, and next we go to Adobe Photoshop. Wait for a while. Oh, it's here now. Oh, it's here. We also accept computer repair. Papa is the one who installed all of this technology. Yay.